Hi there. Tap settings. Tap contact key verification. Okay. Learn more. What is contact key verification in iMessage? About iMessage contact key verification. iMessage contact key verification provides additional security by helping to detect sophisticated threats against iMessage servers and allowing you to verify that you're messaging only with the people that you intend. Okay, how iMessage contact key verification work? When you use iMessage, your messages are end-to-end encrypted so that nobody other than you and the persons that you're messaging with, not even Apple, can read them while they're in transit between devices. iMessage contact key verification further processes your iMessage conversation and helps verify that you're messaging only with the people that you intend. iMessage contact key verification automatically verifies that you are messaging with the persons that you intend in iMessage conversation with people who have also turned on iMessage contact key verification. You receive an alert if there is an error in this verification process. This alert helps make sure that even a very sophisticated attacker can impersonate anyone in the conversation. Additionally, you can manually verify contacts by comparing verification codes. When you manually verify contacts, iMessage contact key verification verifies that the code you have saved matches the one provided by the iMessage server for that contact and then notify you if the verification code changes. iMessage contact key verification requirements. To use iMessage contact key verification on your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, Mac, or Apple Vision Pro, you need yeah, to be signed into iCloud and iMessage with the same Apple account. iCloud keychain turn on all devices. Two-factor authentication turn on for your Apple account. A passcode or password for all of your devices. iMessage contact key verification doesn't support the managed Apple accounts. Turn on iMessage contact key verification. When you turn on iMessage contact key verification on one of your Apple devices, it's turned on for all devices where you sign in to your Apple account. When you turn on iMessage contact key verification, you might be prompted to update all of your device to a compatible software version. If you have a device that can update, you need to sign out of iMessage on that device before you can turn on iMessage contact key verification. Yeah, how to on iMessage contact key verification? Open settings. Manually verify contacts with iMessage contact key verification. For additional assurance that you're messaging with the person you intend, you can manually verify contacts. To manually verify, you need to have the person saved in contacts. One device compression. From conversation details, you can choose to verify a contact. Both you and that contact generate a code at the same time to share and compare. Public verification code. You can share your public verification code so that the people you're messaging can verify you. Your public verification code doesn't contain any private information, so you can post it to social media or another account where the people that you're messaging can find and use it. You can also use other people's public verification codes to verify them. Compare verification code on device. Both you and the person that you're messaging need to be connected to cellular or Wi-Fi. You both need to follow the process to have a verified contact screen open on your device at the same time. Open message, tap the contact name, conversation, scroll down, tap verify contact. When the other person also tap verify contact, the codes appear. Verify the codes in person face via facing through another secret when the code match, then add mark verify to add the verification code to that person's contact card. If the codes don't match, you might not be messaging the person you intend. You might want to stop messaging until you can make sure that you're messaging the right person. Mark a contact as verified with a public verification code. To mark a contact as verified, you can copy and paste their public verification code into their contact card to mark them as verified. At the top of the iMessage conversation, select their name. You can also select the contact from the Contacts app. Select info, then select Edit. In the verification code field, type or pass the public verification code that your contact shared. If you don't see verification code field, you might have to select the Add Plus button. Select fields. Okay, if their public verification code matches and is verified by iMessage contact key verification, a check mark show in their contact card and next to their name in the message conversation. If their public verification code doesn't match the code stored on Apple servers or isn't verified, a checkmark won't show. Before you continue messaging, you might want to check that you entered the code correctly or make sure that you're messaging the right person. Check verification status in the conversation details. The iMessage conversation details page shows the iMessage contact key verification status for your contact. To find this status, open a message with your contact, tap their name on iPhone, or click the More Info button, then scroll down to Contact Key Verification. If you don't have iMessage contact key verification turned on, you see turn on contact key verification. If you have iMessage contact key verification turned on but your contact doesn't, you see their name and the verification off. To use iMessage contact key verification, ask them to turn it on. If you and your contact both have iMessage contact key verification turned on but you haven't verified that contact, you see verified contact. If you already verified the contact, you see a check mark by the contact's name. You also see a check mark by their name at the top of the message thread when you send them an image and in your contacts. If there is a validation error, you see an alert by the contact's name. Okay, turn on. Yeah, contact key verification allows you to manually verify who you are messaging with by comparing contact verification code in the pair option. Tap continue. Okay, show public verification code. To allow people to verify they are messaging with you, share your public verification code. Please like and subscribe.